have abdominal flat plate and upright views of the abdomen in a patient with severe abdominal pain. And you notice on the supine images that you can see there's some air distension of the small bowel and maybe a little bit of fold thickening. And the upright views, you notice that there's tiny air bubbles seen. So those indicate that the small bowel loops are fluid filled and the little air bubbles are floating superiorly on top, and they give you that string of beads appearance or string of pearls appearance, which is a good indication on an x-ray that you have a bowel obstruction with significant fluid and distension of the bowel.